Hey guys, today I'm making fresh cream donuts. I just wanted to say a big thank you to all of my subscribers, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. It's absolutely free and I greatly appreciate the support. To make the dough, in the bowl of your stand mixer, add in the flour, sugar, and yeast. Mix it together, then add in the melted butter, oil, egg, and milk. Mix on low till combined, then allow the mixer to run for a further 4 to 5 minutes to knead the dough. This can also be done by hand. Oil your fingers and pat the dough down. Then cover with a piece of cling film and allow it to rise in a warm place for 1 hour. Punch the dough down, then remove it from the bowl. Place the dough onto your work surface and use additional oil to shape the dough into a ball. Flatten the ball of dough and use a sharp knife to divide it as equally as you can into 8 or 12 pieces, depending on the size of donut you would like. Roll each piece of dough into a ball. Then roll it between the palms of your hands into a sausage shape and place it onto a piece of wax wrap or baking paper. Allow it to stand at room temperature while you heat about 1.5 to 2 centimeters of oil. Place the donuts into the oil one at a time. Turn them back and forth and allow them to fry till golden brown. Remove the donuts from the oil and drain them on some paper towels. Allow them to cool completely. Add the fresh cream and icing sugar into a bowl. My apologies for the lighting. Then beat on high till it forms stiff peaks. Transfer the cream into a piping bag fitted with a star nozzle, then set it aside till needed, preferably in the fridge. When the donuts have cooled completely, it's ready to assemble. Slice the donut lengthways using a serrated knife, then pipe in the cream. Add on the optional dusting of icing sugar and the cherry, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!